Do not use any more Apple and instantly.ai because now it's not.io. It's very simple. Just you have to log in. You can see a very simple dashboard. You have to just find the leads, click the prospects. I'm in here. I will go for find new leads. And here it is. I have to find trader CEO inside New York. Click in here and it will automatically give the filters. So I need the trader. I will click in here, select find email. Okay, this is new list. Okay, so trader CEO. I will create, click in here. Yeah, I go to for reach out. Use template. Already pre-template are very good. Email campaigns, cold email campaign for sales. Yeah, select template. You can see the condition in 7 days. If it's opened, offer will be give. If it's not open, then it will be automatically follow-ups. They're done. We just need to give that next. We have to click all the working mails only. So from the list, I will choose the trader CEO. So I will just click by default is good. For it, you have to add an email account. So click in here. For free users, you can still get the Google. You have to click in here and you just have to enter your domain name. So once you added the domain, you just have to click the next and proceed anyway. That's it. Yeah, so it's done. Just you have to add the email and it will work automatically. If you are interested to set up your business for automatic lead generations and outreach system, I can help you. Just check the description for joining the snuff.io or feel free to comment free and I will help you to set up totally for free.